Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you a super cool Photoshop trick. You know when you take photos outdoors and the colors end up looking too cold and kind of lifeless? Well, with this simple technique, we can warm them up and make the whole image look way more alive. All right, let's jump in. The photo I picked has exactly this problem. No warm tones at all. Here's what we do. Go to the Layers panel, and on top of your background or your last layer, add a solid color adjustment layer. Pick pure white as the color. Set the values like this. Hue, 0. Saturation, 0. Brightness, 100. Hit OK. Go back to the Layers panel and change the blending mode to Divide. Now, double-click that adjustment layer to open the color picker again. Keep brightness at 100, set saturation to 30, then move the hue slider upwards into the blue range until you find the warm tone you like. Hit OK, and boom! Check out the before and after. Super easy, but the effect is amazing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next videos. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what kind of photos you'll try this trick on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.